Tails. Tails. We do this every. Zoom back. No, what time it is? Oh! Okay. It is 11:43 a.m. I'm gonna play a prank on Tails. Watch this. I just need to get some. Hey. I need Spider-Man. This dead corpse of Spider-Man. Yeah. Yes. It will come alive any minute now. I'm alive. Amazing. Let's go. Whoa, don't kill Tails. Tails, you alright? Yeah, mommy. Are you dreaming? No, mommy. Why you call me mommy? Because I can. Mommy. You're awake, aren't you? Yeah. What kicked me? Me. Revenge. Whoa, you using telekinesis? Yeah. Ah! Your turn, Spider-Man. It was you all along. How you know? 'Cause you ripped off my mouth. Now you are gonna pay. How do I rip off your mouth? Like this. No! 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 Well, it's just me and you. You wanna know why I don't have a mouth? 'Cause whatever that is. Yeah. Well, this is gonna be a long video. So, I heard there's a new Sonic movie coming out. People hate the animation and, I'm not in the movie. Wait, we don't know yet. We don't know if Tails is in the movie. Ugh, maybe look worse. I like the way I am. Just seen a two-tailed fox in real life. I can't wait for Detective Pikachu. I'm so fat. Oh, there goes a new movie right there. Wonder Park. Which I'm not watching. I mean, I don't know. It's good. Changing the channel. What is this on anyway? It is on SpongeBob. I'm zooming for y'all. You know what? There. I have suffered. Yep. Oh, Lucky. Oh. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Let me see what it looks like. This is gonna take a while. So, how was your day, everyone? It was made. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna get Tails back. Wait, I am Tails. I'm gonna get Sonic back. Put that down. Sonic, I'm sorry. No, you're not. What did you just say? I said, no, you're not. Oh, let's go. Alright, let's go 15. Alright, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Boy, we went just 15 on you, boy. I went 15. Oh. I'm coming. Let's go. Let's go 100. Alright. Use grammar. It's 100, not 100. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's stop at 8. Okay. And it's in my bank account. Oh. And it's in my bank account. And it's in my bank account. And it's in my bank account. What are you singing, you stupid idiot? Did you just curse? No, I don't curse. I don't know how to curse. It's easy. It's like this. I don't want to curse. You don't even got a mouth. Yeah. Okay, well, I can't talk. So, you gonna talk, Tails? Man, it's just like that SML video where every time someone says they don't got ears, they they act like they deaf. But Tails doesn't have a mouth, but he talks. Okay, this said, what a piece of paper. Be smart. What'd you say? Yeah, that's what I thought. Hey, let's go 15 then. Yeah. There ain't no paper. Now all you need is a pencil, you idiot. Yee. Okay. What are you doing, Tails? Let me give you a voice. I am a idiot. Stop, Tails. I'm down here. No. Well, hot. We're hot. Really, Tails? What am I gonna do now? I guess I should use this as a pillow. Good night, everyone.